In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trailhead account in Salesforce. We'll go from a blank browser to a verified Trailhead login, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sign Up Trailhead Salesforce. You should see an official Trailhead result near the top that takes you to the Trailhead account page. Click that result to open the sign up area. On the Trailhead page, look for the Sign Up for Free button and click it. Depending on redirects, you may see this button more than once. If you do, just click Sign Up for Free again to move forward. This brings you to a screen where you can choose how you want to create your account. Here, Trailhead offers several identity providers and login choices. You'll see options like Google, Salesforce, MuleSoft, and Tableau. There's also a View More Options link, which expands additional choices, including Marketing Cloud, LinkedIn, and Apple. Take a second to get familiar with these, because they all route you to the same Trailhead experience. You're simply picking the sign-in method you prefer. If you already use one of these services and want single sign-on convenience, you can pick that provider. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with the business email path so you can see the full registration flow. Click Business Email to begin the email-based sign-up. Enter a valid business email address, then click Next. Using a work email helps Trailhead tailor content and communications, especially if you're learning for your organization. If you're doing this for personal learning, your preferred email will still work. Just make sure you have immediate access to its inbox. Next, select your country or region from the dropdown. This helps Salesforce apply the right localization, language, and compliance settings for your account. You'll also see a checkbox for terms and privacy. Read the statement and check the box to proceed. You won't be able to move on until you agree. Now click Verify My Email. Trailhead will send a one-time verification code to the address you provided. Head to your inbox and look for the email with the code. If you don't see it within a minute, check your spam or junk folder, and consider waiting another moment or using your mail search for Trailhead or Salesforce. Copy the code from the message and return to the registration form. Paste the code into the field and click Submit Code. After the code is accepted, you'll be guided through a few quick wrap-up items to finish creating your Trailhead account. The exact prompts can vary slightly, but here's what you can typically expect. You may be asked to confirm your name and basic details. You might be prompted to choose a username that looks like an email address. This username is unique across Salesforce systems and isn't required to be your actual email. If a password is requested, create a strong one and store it securely. You may also see options to set your role, interests, or learning goals to personalize your Trailhead experience. Accept any final terms or communications preferences to complete the setup. Once that's done, you'll land in Trailhead, signed in, and ready to learn. If anything stalls during sign-up, try refreshing the page, resending the verification code, or using a private browsing window to avoid cached sessions. You can also return to the sign-up screen and pick a different identity provider, like Google or LinkedIn, if that's more convenient for you. That's it. You searched for the Trailhead sign-up page, reviewed your login options, chose business email, verified your address, and finalized your details. You now have your Salesforce Trailhead account ready to go. From here, consider customizing your profile, bookmarking your first module, and exploring badges aligned to your goals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Trailhead journey.